me. I'm in transit. I'm in transit. Satan cannot tie me down. There is a drumbeat in my spirit. It comes from heaven above. I function by the sound in my spirit. I dance to the beat of a different drummer. I pledge my allegiance to a different flag. I am on a journey. I am on a journey. The witches in my family, the warlocks in my family can't stop me, because the drum beat I hear is from heaven. The killed one, the kidnapped one. But your story is different, because there is a different drummer. We are on a journey, navigated by the Holy Ghost, going through the motions of the Spirit, building our capacity in the Spirit. He's taking you yonder. He's taking you further, because of the joy that was set before him. He endured the cross in the